Scout is, I think Scout's found something there.
Oh, he sure has.
What do you got there? Uh-oh.
Oh, he dropped it. Is that
He's doing some exploring. Thank you for staying out of the road, Scout. I appreciate that. Okay. Scout's found his own path, as you can see.
Remember how Lula had to pick up something when she
Yeah.
Alright, go, bud.
Scout's just one of the dogs. He can walk on a leash very well.